Hello, my name is Junliang Lu. My teammate is Kunkai Lin. We designed this project, and this is the game design project. It's a small game that simulates Minecraft, but it's 2D world. Let me show you first. When I click and enter the C, follow instruction. Time S, you will generate a world. So here's the world that I generated. Here's the avatar. This is the golden door. It's locked. You have to find the key. The key is here. So that when you find the key and then open the door, then you win the game. This game also has several features. So you can also turn the light up side off. Now it's off. When I set it to true and run the game again, generate a world. So now the line of sight is radius 5, so you can only see the sign in the radius of 5. It's pretty cool. Okay. So now let me explain to you what I did in this project and what my partner did in this project. My partner Kunkai Lin his work is to draw, to draw the tile, to draw the tile of the object. He is using standard drawer to draw it. This is his job. He is to implement TERenderer and TETile. My job is to implement Tileset. Tileset is let me show you the document. So the Tileset here, I have all the image for the tile. So this is the PNG file for the door, and we also have 2 images for the avatar that you can select at the beginning of the game. The key is also here. You see the wall and the floor. So the tile set here is basically changing the appearance of the tile that appear in game. And the other class, Engine, is the main class. And Engine is the engine class that generates the game world. And main class here is to run the whole project. So there are two options here. First, interact with input string. So basically is you type the whole string into the input, and it will run the game internally. The second option is interact with keyboard, so that you can visualize interactively of the game. Let me show you the engine class now. So I wrote this class by myself. This is a tile rendering engine, which will generate a random game world. The world has an option to turn on line of sight feature to simulate night. So which I just show you that you can set it equal to true or false. When set it true, then the line of sight radius is only 5. So these are the manual for you to play the game. This show you how to play the game. Let's run the game again. This time, let me show you how to save the game and then load back in. First, create a new game. Enter a random seed, and then press S to create a world. So this is the world, right? So remember this position here. Now I press column and Q. This will save the game and quit. So when it saved the game, what it does is it write the data into a file, and it store all the objects information and the tile current position, and it will save in the file. So let's play that again. This time, press L to load the game. You see it is in the same position, in the same world. When you hover above a tile, it will show information of that tile. Yes. Here, I hover onto the tile. It shows a world. Here is you, and here is floor. Now, after explaining the general idea, I will explain it in detail for some important methods. So the first thing is draw main menu. So the draw main menu method here is draw the HUD at the beginning using the standard draw. And then the filter world here is for the feature of the line of sight. It set the line of sight of the avatar. Then is the most important thing is generate world. This method generates the world, the game world, before you can play in the game. So it is using a very quick union data structure. And he also using the space class to simulate the room and the hallway. So the room, let me show you. So here is the room. It is 2 times 3. 2 times 4 is a room. And when you go up, here is the hallway. It's 1 times height or width times 1 is a hallway. Here the hallway is vertical. Here the hallway is horizontal. This is the class object to represent the room and the hallway. It has attribute current X position and current Y position, and also the width and height of the object. So the idea to generate the random world using the random seed is setting the number of rooms, setting the bound of the number of rooms to 25, and it generate the rooms first. So it select a random number of rooms and generate the rooms. After the rooms are all generated, you will try to generate hallways. Some hallways might overlap with the room, so we will generate the hallway again until it will connect to the room. And some hallways are generated without connecting to the room. So we will delete it and try again. So this is the idea, that to generate a valid game world. After generating the world, the space. After generating after allocating all the spaces for the connected rooms and hallways, we will attach world around the space. So all the spaces are surrounded by worlds. And after that, we will generate the golden door positions in random location. So it's just selecting the random world to be the door, and also generate avatar on random floor. Key is also generated on random floor. And that's it. So all I explain here is the interact with keyboard function, and the next is the generate interact with input string. So input string is you start with n or start with low to load the word. N is the set the new word. The number here is the C, and then the S here is generate the word, and the S after that is move back, move front, move left, and move right. Here is load the word, and the three characters here are to move front, move back, and move right. So interact with input string will not have interactive visual content. And that's it. This is our project.